Hey, welcome back to Shushi Money Matters. Today, we're going to break down the most commonly used full forms in the stock market. If you've heard terms like IPO, NSE, or PE and felt lost, this video is for you. Let's simplify the jargon and make you more confident with stock market terms. IPO, initial public offering. When a company offers its shares to the public for the first time, it's called an IPO. It helps the company raise money and allows investors to own a part of it. NSE, National Stock Exchange, one of India's major stock exchanges, where stocks, bonds, and derivatives are traded. Popular index. Nifty 50. Some of the top companies included in the Nifty 50 are Reliance Industries, HDFC Bank, Tata Consultancy Services, and Bharti Airtel. BSE, Bombay Stock Exchange, the oldest stock exchange in Asia. Its index, Sensex, tracks 30 top companies. SEBI, Securities and Exchange Board of India, the regulator of the Indian stock market. SEBI protects investors and ensures fair practices. P/E ratio, price to earnings ratio evaluation metric. It tells you how much investors are willing to pay for 1 rupee of the company's earnings. EPS, earnings per share. EPS equals net profit divided by number of shares. It tells how much profit the company earns per share. ROE, return on equity. This shows how efficiently a company is using shareholders' money to generate profits. NAV, net asset value. NAV equals assets, liabilities, total shares. SIP, systematic investment plan, a way to invest small amounts regularly in a mutual fund, usually monthly. FII, foreign institutional investor. These are foreign investors, like global funds, that invest in Indian markets. Their buying or selling can move the market. DII, domestic institutional investor. These are Indian institutions like mutual funds or banks investing in Indian markets. IPO versus FPO, follow on public offer. IPO is the first public offer. FPO is when a listed company issues more shares to raise additional capital. DEMAT, dematerialized account. It stores your shares electronically, just like a bank account stores money. Now all in one. Let's begin. IPO, initial public offering. NSE, National Stock Exchange. BSE, Bombay Stock Exchange. SEBI, Securities and Exchange Board of India. P/E ratio, price to earnings ratio. EPS, earnings per share. ROE, return on equity. NAV, net asset value. SIP, systematic investment plan. ETF, exchange traded fund. FII, foreign institutional investor. DII, domestic institutional investor. CAGR, compound annual growth rate. Nifty, National Stock Exchange 50. Sensex, sensitive index. AMFI, Association of Mutual Funds in India. IPO versus FPO, follow on public offer. DEMAT, dematerialized account. T+1 settlement. PSU, public sector undertaking. MCAP, market capitalization. QIB, qualified institutional buyer. RHP, red herring prospectus. CMP, current market price. LTP, last traded price. Finally done. Like, share, subscribe. Shushi Money Matters.